I got you. Ooh, ooh, I got you. Ooh, ooh. La 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 la. I got you.
Happy birthday! Happy first birthday din yan!
Thank you also to the Juan Balete, ayan, Clubhouse. Maraming salamat po. And of course, special thanks to all people here. Sabi nga ni Daddy, maraming salamat po sa pagpili para sa pag-spend ng time ninyo to celebrate with Demian's first birthday. Palakpakan nyo naman yung sarili ninyo.
Sneaking out just to see you. My priceless
Happy birthday, Daniel!
Found the key to your heart, can I keep you? Can I keep you? Every time that we're together it's easy. California in the summer so breezy. Stick together high, low, every season. Every season.
We thank you for the celebration of the one-year birthday party of baby Damian. We pray that as we celebrate with this lovely child, may all we do here today be blessed and wonderful.
I got you. Ooh, ooh, I got you. Ooh, ooh. La 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 la. I got you. Ooh, ooh, I got you. Ooh, ooh. La 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 la. I would ride through the desert just to find you. Permanently on my mind like a tattoo. Bonnie Clyde, do or die, always come through. Always come through. That's why we never ever wait for the weekend. We don't need.
Gusto ko lang naman, when you grow up, you be like a giraffe, na you're always kind, and then an elephant that you will dream big. Be a monkey that's always curious. We will guide you all the way. Lahat ng matutulong namin sa'yo, ipoprovide namin. And we will always be here for you. We love you so much, my little one. I love you.
So Damian, happy birthday ulit. We love you, Mama and Papa love you. May God bless you all the love, happiness, and success in life. We love you.
Wake up to the sunshine, what a beautiful view. Hold tight to the good times, no matter what we do. I got you.